Guys, this is the best time to accumulate ton coins. Guys, people have been accumulating before the bull run. You just want to have at least over 1,000. And in order for you to join this project, you need 5 tons, which is around 254 in rands. And then in dollars, you need around $14. This will get you started. Guys, start with whatever amount you have. But if you do have more, just join with more because you will get even more commission, guys. So I'm just going to show you how to actually sign up and register using my referral link, which I'll leave on the video description. If you're watching from TikTok or maybe Instagram or even Facebook, you'll find the link tree or the link, guys. So these are the steps. Step 1, you download Telegram. Step 2, you download the wallet called TonKeeper. Step 3, you click on the booster link. So this is my referral link, but then I will show you all of that. So let's just go ahead and go to my app store in order for us to download the TonKeeper wallet. So I'm going there, and then you just type TonKeeper, and then you'll be able to see it, and then you'll be able to download it. Guys, this project has its own blockchain, which is also doing well. And if you haven't watched the presentation, just watch that presentation. So you click get. This is the wallet address that you are going to download, and then after downloading, you open it, and then you'll be able to create a wallet. Guys, you do need to take care of your seed phrase. Do not show to anyone, because guys, if you show, someone might import your wallet. And then now I have generated the wallet, but I do need to make a backup of my seed phrase. So now I made a screenshot and sent it to my email. Make sure it is in a safe place. So it will ask you to check. So you just go back to the screenshot that you made, and then you just check what is number 8, what is number 11, what is number 18. So if you put that proper, it will create, and then you create a passcode. Make sure you do not forget it, because each and every transaction you're going to make, you will need that. I do set up a Face ID as well as another extra security, and for me not to struggle when I log in. Congratulations, you've set up your wallet. So I do have the wallet. As you can see, there's ton coin, and you can even stake this coin. So the next thing that you're going to do, you do need to add. So you're just going to click receive, and then you'll be able to get the wallet address for ton, and then you'll be able to transfer from the crypto exchange you're going to buy. So MEC and LUNC, those are the crypto exchange you can buy. So now I have my money. So I go to my upliner referral link, I click it, and then it will open here, and then you just click start. So after clicking start, it will open. You have been invited by, this is my upliner, but with mine you will see LindyShirries. And then the next thing you will see, request join. If you want to join these channels, you can join. Just for testimonies you will need as you post, and then you follow the step-by-step. Welcome to the Tune Booster, click start. So you press that start, guys, and then you click open in order for you to open Telegram, because that's where Ton Booster bot is. So we're actually subscribing to a bot that will actually help us to sign up. So when you see this screen, guys, it is the screen for you to sign up. So here, guys, do not worry about these other information you can read, but then scroll down, you will see a destination address. Guys, let's just see. So your Ton wallet address, you go to your Ton wallet address, you copy the address, and then you paste it here, and then you click up, read and accept the terms and condition. You click sign up, and then after clicking sign up, you now have to go, guys, as I said, you have to go and copy, and then you go back and paste the address there, and then you click sign up, guys. So now that I'm inside, my account is inactive because I have to change my status. So the first one is bike, which requires 5 tons. So I am going to use that because that's what I have. So I click bike because that's this one I'm joining. So if you have more tons, you can actually join the next one and get even more commissions. Then you click OK, and then after clicking OK, it will open this page, and then in this page you'll be able to see the address where you're going to send the money. So this is the destination address, so you copy it. So for iOS users, guys, it was difficult to copy the address, but then I had Android users, it is easy. Then you click send in your TonKeeper address wallet, and then you paste the address from Ton Booster, and then you click continue. After clicking continue, you will be able to now send. So basically you're sending money from your Keeper to your Telegram bot, and then you click allow, and then it will actually reflect. And the transaction didn't take that much. It was done quickly, guys, which I like. So it is true when they say it is #1 blockchain. It is actually fast, guys. So applications like your Visa actually are even less faster than what this blockchain is. So now that I'm signed up, you can see I have my referral link. You can copy here, or I'll show you again. You just close and open your Telegram and click Turn Poster. When you click Turn Poster, and then it will open, and then you'll be able to scroll down and get your referral link. So you basically just going to click copy, and then you'll be able to copy that and save it somewhere because you are going to use it. So this is the address you are going to use. You'll find it on my video description or even comment, so you can join, guys. And then now, guys, there's so many ways to make, and I am going to send the presentation to show you different ways you are going to make money, guys. It is crazy the way people are making money. They're just collecting tons. And then you can just see the short presentation that I've uploaded just to give you a clue of what Ton coin is all about, guys. Telegram, and how much as well people are actually making money. And this is a legit project, guys, from Telegram. So guys, we can trust this one. Okay, all right, guys. And then you can, if you want to upgrade maybe from your bike to car, you can just click boost, but I will record a video for that. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.